Thank you to the brothers.
Whoa!
Mark Smith, and it's 1940.
Oh my God! Acá salió. Did you see that, AJ?
See this super hot.
Oh!
Out there heating that van sack in the back. The driver of this truck is
Me duele.
Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? Hope everyone's doing well. My name is Junior Gonzalez, and I am here to represent studio of the company. These folks are so gracious to help out this air show with a huge amount of fuel, and we want to make sure they get recognized for their gracious things they've done for us today, and we just love them. So thank you very much. And we're going to show you how to blow up 500 gallons of gasoline today. So what do you think, Mike? Let's get a countdown and we'll set this thing off.
all right. You ready?
We're ready. Let's get the crowd in on this thing.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a countdown for Rick Meyer and Firewalker International. We'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have your cameras ready. Everybody ready?
Yeah!
Okay, count it down with me. 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Played havoc with our schedule today, but we did the best job we could into the condition.
Yeah.
Improved situation out here. We will make sure we take the